our mom. Is that fine? Please, just 10 seconds, 15, that's
Mic this. So there's a message here, and it's written, can a mother forget the baby at her breast and have no compassion on the child she has born? Though she may forget, I will not forget you. Thank you for everything, Ma. I will always be grateful for everything you've ever done.
alright. Sister, picture mo na po.
Malaki.
Alright, yan. Isa pa daw, one more. Alright, thank you, people. So next, we go on the daughter of Mother Rowena.
Take a video.
Yes. Can you give a message to your mom?
Happy Mother's Day. Magja-Japanese na po ako.お母さんいつもありがとう。もう毎日本当にいろんなことを助けてくれて、私がこんなに大きくなるまで28歳になりました。もうちょっとで30代になります。毎日が当たり前じゃないことに感謝しています。これからもお母さん元気でいてください。長生きこれからもしてください。いつもありがとうございます。愛してるよマミ。Love you.
Kasi yung anak ko yung bumuhatin. Ay,
One, two, three. Okay.
Amara, makinig ka dito. So next, let's go on the husband of Mother Rosalinda. Si Brother Edwin po. Alright. Ayan. Representative daw po siya. Alright. Okay po? Dito po sa harap. Yes po. And short message.
Sweetie. Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa araw-araw na kasama kita at sa habang buhay. Thank you, Lord. Binigay ka sa akin. Happy Mother's Day.
Salamat sa ating Jesus Church kasi yung mga anak ko nahihiyan, but they